Welcome to Tech Dudes Weekly. I'm Brian.
I'm Dave.
And we're here with our intro, maybe our first podcast, YouTube channel, you name it. I think we're we're trying to get out there and start talking about the thing that we love the most is home technologies, home automation, anything to deal with embedding tech in the home, and then even seeing where that home tech, or we'll say enterprise level home tech, leads into small medium business and where it can help out some small business owners. Dave, why don't you give your background and we can kind of prove why we might have the chops to actually do something like this.
Cool, thanks. So I'm Dave. I like to kind of refer to this as I've been doing this probably 25 plus years now. Um, been doing everything from server storage, virtualization, cloud, VDI, networking, security, but I'm more what I would refer to as kind of a data center guy, hybrid infrastructure. Half my career I've been a consultant, the other half I've been a customer, so I kind of understand both sides of the desk. Have a home lab that we tinker around with, so kind of anything with a blinky light and a button on it is kind of fair game for us as we go through this. Been working all over the country, all over the world. Work for a very large, I'll say, integrator reseller as it stands today as our day job. But that's kind of who I am.
Likewise, I've kind of been in the industry too many years that I want to count. Nothing early '90s, so seeing everything from the initial Windows 3.1, 3.11, NT4, all the way through the early Macintosh days, things like that. And it's always kind of been an area that I've loved. I have both my undergraduate and graduate in IT, and was an IT director for a long time, mostly in telecommunications space. And worked for a software as a service company for telecom billing. And then, like Dave, went into consulting, mostly for enterprise tech, on premise, and now I focus mostly solely on the cloud, but all three clouds: Google, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, to offer different solutions there. But when I'm not doing that during the day, I like to do a lot of home projects. A lot of home automation is kind of one of the things I really love. And then again, helping small businesses here or there, just kind of giving some advice, pointers, on how to keep costs down and really take advantage of tech. So that's kind of what we're hoping to do, is have those discussions, and bring you in as the audience, and tell us areas you want to talk about, things that we can dig into, and we love to hear somebody else's stories too. That's how we learn something as well.
Yeah, and over the growth of this channel, the life of this channel, it's going to cover everything like Brian was saying. It's tech related, so it could be basic electronics, could be TVs, could be cool cell phones, tablets, all the way including 3D printers, anything like I said earlier, like with a blinky light and a button on it. We're probably going to cover it. A lot of these are going to be, I'll say, short format. They're not probably going to be over maybe 20-30 minutes long if we go that long on some of these, depending on what it is. It could be a short video, it could be a long video. We're also going to do it in podcast format as well. As we go through this, we'll probably do some say product reviews, show some of the cool things, give you some, we may even spawn off one referred to as deals of the week. Things like that. We've got a lab that we play around with as well, that we'll probably maybe show you how to do some home automation, some, again, more blinky light and button type things to make the family love you even more.
So hopefully, you'll come back, follow us on YouTube. We'll have this hopefully, like Dave said, in a podcast format too, for those who get trapped in the car and need something to listen to. And then our website at www.techdudesweekly.com is slowly being built out, and we'll be adding content to that as we go. So join us, and we're looking forward to hearing some conversations.
Cool. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you later.